Hey sisters and brothers, let's get into the product Easy Pro Funnels version 2. Okay, so this product was previously launched as the name is showing and about version 2, and also in this video I will tell you about this product, and I can't show you this product from inside in this video, but I will show you the main purpose of this making this video is I will show you my bonuses, kind of $6,397 bonuses will be given to you totally free once you have brought the product from my side. Okay, let me start with the product now. Before I will talk about the bonus part on the later part of the video. Okay, so this is the product, a meme image created by me, because a meme can easily tell about the product or say about the product. Okay, and also it can make you smile. Okay, so that's why I always create meme, and this is the product cover page. Okay, so basically this product is all about making funnels and making high quality funnels. You can go through their sales page via going through my page. Okay, via getting my bonuses also. Okay, so basically to go through my page via go to their page via going through my page is to get you my bonuses. Okay, so the main reason is to give you my bonuses. This is the main reason of making this video. So I have gone through their demo videos, and via demo videos I have shown the product, and also I have rated the product on that way. Okay, I have after going the demo videos I have rated the product. Inside feature and facilities it has got 96%, inside performance it has got 98%, ease of use 95%, and value for money is 94%. so 4 of them are brilliant, and also market hits inside market hits it has got 92%, and overall it has got 9.6 out of 10, which is awesome. And also I never consider market hits inside this overall section, and this is the product price which costs only $27. So they are giving you also 30 days no question money back guaranteed. So what else you need? And also they have just focused that, or they have just claimed that the price will be rising up up to $47 after the launch period. Okay, so the launch period is only for 3 days, as this product was previously launched and successfully they have launched they have sold so many products. Okay, so many products on the version 1. That's why they are just pretty much sure that they will give this kind of short launch period. Okay, so this is the product description. You can go through this, and this is the most exciting video for me, that you can build a funnel page, or you can build a landing page, okay, within just 50 seconds with this tool. So this is a live proof. You can watch this live with this timer. Okay, so this was very much shocking for me, and I have been rated via going through this kind of videos, this video, and also there was a demo video. I have not embed here, but I have gone through that video, and after going through that video, that video was the longer video of demo version. Okay, after going through that video I have rated the product. Okay, so let me show you more about this product. So inside new version, what are you getting inside version 2? Those all are mentioned here, total 9 points, and also additionally it is giving you like trainings, traffic and tutorials at plus 10 more than 10 underused free traffic sources. Okay, I don't know exactly, because I have not accessed this product. Okay, in my words, you can get this tool $27 is literally deserving, because I have gone through this video, and this video just blown my mind, and you can watch this. Okay, so now let me go through the sales funnel. Okay, so front end product I have already cleared to you, and the next one is Easy Pro Funnel version 2 campaign packs. Inside that this product will be given within $27 on a recurring period of monthly. Okay, and also the price will be rising up to $37 after the launch period. And the next one is Easy Pro review and webinar one time offer, $47. And the last one is Easy Pro Funnels one time offer pack, $77. Okay, so these are the bonuses, and that was the main purpose or main fundamental thing for me to making this video. So let me go through the bonuses. There are so many bonuses, I don't want to explain each of them, because that can make the video lengthy and very much lengthy. Okay, I want to restrict my video within just short period, and I will show you the best bonuses I have put here. Okay, so after 50 bonuses, I have put here 300 plus bonuses as mega bonuses to save my time, to save my work, to save me also, and also to save your time. Okay, so literally you are given 350 plus bonuses within just 17 bucks once you have brought the product from my side. Okay, so it is pretty much clear to you, I think, and it is totally crystal clear to you that you are getting 350 plus software within just 27 bucks, and you are getting inside these 350s. I have put here 50 as an example, and you are getting softwares, plugins, SEO stuffs, and also images, musics. I have recently introduced images, musics were there previously, and case studies, video case studies that can help you to grow online, to make online money very easy. Okay, so you have to go through your purchase history option inside your Warrior Plus account. After purchasing the product, you can only do that, and after that, after purchase history option, you can go access this blue button. This blue button is named as access affiliate bonus, and inside this access affiliate bonus, you will be given my bonuses. Okay, so it is very clear to you that you have to purchase the product and you can get my bonus. This is the only way to get the bonuses. Okay, so that was the overview of Easy Pro Funnel. Though I have not shown the product from inside, but I have the way. I've shown the way how you can get the example of this product, that this product can build 50 seconds funnel page or landing page. Okay, so that was the overview of this product, and I am signing out for the day. So I'm wrapping up the video. So bye bye.